Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and well, we've got an update today on the October 2018 update. Yeah, an update on an update. So what we are talking about is the fact that Microsoft yesterday late afternoon decided to issue simply a little statement saying that the October 2018 update is now fully available. That means they use the term to advanced users, but it's kind of fully available technically. What does that mean? That means that if you don't have a block, because there are things that are still blocked, if you go to Windows Update to seek it, it's going to actually show up. So that means you will be, of course, getting the 2018 October 2018 update finally. So if you want to do so, you can go to Windows Update. The question that will arise from this is, well, is it safe to get it? Well, technically it's pretty safe. And the reason why is that if you are on one of those that are blocked because of a problem, it's not going to show up to you. Meaning if it does show up in your Windows Update, it technically means Microsoft deems that it's safe and it's okay to use on your own machine. So technically it should be safe and it should be okay. The October 2018 update, of course, had its share of news and of bad things, but since they've kind of released it, re-released it, there's a cumulative update coming with it. It seems to be quite good in general, and I've seen very little people complain in the past couple of weeks, since we had cumulative updates and all of that. Most people that had it actually have a safe update and works fine. Now the thing is, in here there are some blocks, and who is blocked? Well, there's the Intel Display Driver. If you have Intel Display Drivers version 24.20.100.6344, 24.20.100.6345, these are incompatible. Now there are some updated drivers that have shown up, and these updated drivers actually are fixing the issue. But depending on the Intel driver that you've got, it might actually not be still available for your machine, depending on the hardware that is on your machine. So just remember that this is a block. If you use F5 VPN client connection stability when in split tunnel configuration problem, because that's what's happening, you've got on F5 VPN client, you've got a block also because it breaks that VPN when you update. If you have Trend Micro Office Scan and worry-free business security software, you're not getting the October 2018 update for now. They're waiting for McAfee to actually update the software. The problem isn't on Microsoft's side, it's McAfee that needs to update the software to have it compatible. And finally, there's lock screen performance issues with the Radeon HD 2000 and HD 4000 GPUs. So if you've got one of those graphics GPUs or graphics chips, you are not getting it right now also. So basically, these are the blocks that they are actually enforcing right now. So if you are in one of these situations, what actually happens is that the telemetry and the information that it gathers for Windows Update will actually block it to you. That means anybody that doesn't have a block for some hardware or software reason is going to actually have it appear through Windows Update if you seek it. So seek that's what they say, seek it. Every time it's always interesting because I always get people saying, well, I didn't seek it and it still appeared on Windows Update. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to think. Maybe maybe you seeked it without really knowing you seeked it, or it's, anything's possible anyways. So I think this update is safe to get on your computer if it shows up through Windows Update. If it doesn't show up through Windows Update, I still will tell you not to force it. Don't go using the Windows Update, the media creation tool, forcing Windows 10 October 2018 update in your machine. If you do so and you have a block, well, it will update and that problem will be there. That's the thing, what I've just mentioned. If you're in one of those situations, don't force it, because you'll have problems after you have updated. And I will repeat, because it seems that, I don't know, people don't listen or watch the videos or something. I don't know. I get all the time the people that just say, well, should I force it? Should I force it? Look, I said no. You should wait for it to appear in Windows updates. It's as simple as that. And for the most part, it'll be okay. If it appears through Windows Update, it means it should be okay. So, you know, just be patient. There's nothing critical in the October 2018 update that you absolutely must have. It's an update like other updates. Yes, there's new stuff. If you look at the review posted and everything, there's new stuff in here, absolutely, but it's, you know, you're not there yet. So just make sure that you don't, you know, you wait for it to appear by itself. It minimizes the risk of anything happening. And if you're an advanced user and you decide, well, I want it, go ahead, but just you know, think about the fact that there's a higher risk if you force it than if you wait for it. That's for sure. So available to everyone that doesn't have a block. So if you're not in the category of some problem that they know about, you're getting it today. If you want to seek it through Windows Update, it will show up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.